Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I love this book so much. It takes you under the sea.
This book is so much fun. I love the spotlight that you can go around different parts of the book and see different animals. This book is super fun for children, and they really love to look at it and spot the different sea creatures, and then you have to find it with the flashlight. It also has a lot of information about different animals. Sea creatures are so fun.
If you're looking for an educational book that is fun, this is definitely the book for you. We love this book so much and we use it fairly often to read. And it's not only a read, but the pictures, and it's very interactive and it's very informational at the same time. My kids love it. I love it. I think it's super fun. So we're going to keep on reading this book and we're going to keep on learning about things that are in the sea. My son loves animals and sea creatures and things like that. So this book is right up his alley. He gets super happy about it, which makes me super happy about it. This book is amazing, and that's my point of view.